You can use the Find Replace tool to locate and optionally replace text in selected text objects, in the current view, or throughout an entire project. To find and replace text, on the Annotate ribbon, in the Text panel, I can click Find Replace. But before I do, realize that the view Pipe Through Wall is the current view. I'll zoom in and select the third note down on the right. I'll click in the text field, select the word Structural, and press Ctrl-C to copy it to the Windows clipboard. Then, I'll click to deselect the word, but keep the text selected. With the text selected, I can also start the Find Replace tool from the contextual ribbon. As soon as I do, Revit displays the Find Replace dialog. I'll right-click in the Find field and choose Paste from the shortcut menu. Now I can search for that word. In the Scope section, Current Selection is selected, so Revit will only search for the word within the objects currently selected. When I click Find Next, Revit finds the instance of the word in the text. In the Context section, you can see the word Structural within the note. I'll move the dialog off to the side a bit so you can see things better. To search for the word within the current view instead of just the selection, I'll select Current View. Then, I'll click Find All. This time, Revit has found 4 instances of the word within this view. I can select each instance to see the entire context. In some cases, the word appears with an uppercase S, and in some cases it's lowercase. When I select Entire Project and click Find All, now I can see all of the instances of the word Structural throughout the entire project. Again, some instances have the word with an initial uppercase S, and some have it in lowercase. Let's say I wanted to change all instances to uppercase. I'll select Match Case and then click Find All again. Now Revit has identified 2 instances within the project where the word uses a lowercase s. Note that if the text I was searching for occurred within a longer word, I could select Match Whole Word Only. In the Replace With field, I'll type Structural with an uppercase S, and then click Replace All. Revit immediately changes all of those instances to uppercase, and displays a notification dialog telling me that 2 items out of 2 have been replaced. I'll click Close to close the notification dialog, and then click Close again to close the Find Replace dialog.